Hello, welcome back. This video it's just a really quick video. It's talking about the normal PDF and the normal CDF functions on the TI-84 Plus calculators. What these functions allow us to do is they allow us to find areas underneath the normal curve. So let's go ahead and get started. To get access to these functions, you're going to be looking at the distribution menu. That's right here where I'm pointing. So we press second and then distribution. And the two functions that we're looking for are right here at the top, normal PDF and normal CDF. What normal PDF does is it actually just finds us the height of a normal curve at a specific z-score. That PDF stands for probability distribution function. CDF stands for cumulative distribution function. And this will allow us to find the area underneath the normal curve. So we're typically going to be choosing the second option. The only reason why we would choose the first option is if we're trying to create a picture of the normal curve on the calculator. Okay, so make sure that you choose that second option, normal CDF, and that will bring up this menu. The menu has a couple options here. We have a lower bound, an upper bound, and then mean and standard deviation. So let's just say that we're looking for the area between -1 and +1 with a z-score between -1 and +1. We're going to be within 1 standard deviation of the mean, but our lower bound is just going to be -1. Our upper bound is going to be +1. Since we're working in z-scores, we're going to keep the mean and the standard deviation at 1, and that's going to be the case for all these problems in this course. I want you to make sure that you're keeping the mean at 0 and the standard deviation of 1, because changing this into a z-score, changing whatever context I give you into a z-score is going to be part of the work that I expect you to show. Okay, go ahead and push paste, and that will I will just output the function to the main screen. Push enter again, and we get just around 68%, which of course is not surprising considering we have our 68, 95, 99.7 rule. Okay, we can do things other than just integers as well, and that's the real advantage of this function. Say we want to find the area or the proportion of observations that will be more than 1.46 standard deviations below our mean. Okay, in this case we want our lower bound to be -infinity, but we of course can't answer, or we can't enter that into our calculator, so we'll have to settle with -1 times 10 to the 99. That will just give us a suitably lower bound, a suitably small lower bound, and then our upper bound is just going to be -1.46. So this will give us the area that starts at -infinity and it stops at -1.46. Another way of saying that is just the area that's below -1.46, or the proportion of z-scores that will be smaller than -1.46. Okay, go ahead and paste that down, and we get 7.2%. That's really all there is to the normal function. It's fairly straightforward. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.